You can set specific pick-up and drop-off times for vehicles booked using Proweb. Once you've set up these times, customers booking via your website will only see the times you have specified, as shown here. For example, you may be open from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m, but only want to accept pickups between 8 and 9 a.m, and drop-offs between 4 and 5 p.m. You can also specify different pickup and drop-off times for different days of the week or rental locations. Click on Operating Hours to adjust your settings. Initially, you'll be presented with your current opening hours. These will be displayed by day of the week and have been copied from your ProHire desktop system. You can update these opening hours by dragging the sliders to your chosen times. Please note that changing your opening hours here will only update your online opening hours. ProHire opening hours will remain the same. To add your chosen pickup and drop-off times to a particular day, click on the circular button to the right of the day and select either Add Pickup Range or Add Drop-off Range. Clicking the Add Pickup Range button will add a blue pickup slider which you can adjust to reflect your pickup range. Here, we're going to allow our customers to pick up a vehicle between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. We simply drag the sliders to reflect this time. Clicking the Add Drop-off Range button will add an orange drop-off range, and we're going to allow customers to drop off a vehicle between 4 and 5 p.m. If you add a range by mistake and need to delete it, simply click on the thin line between the two times and select Delete, as shown here. If you have the same pickup and drop-off times for all weekdays, you can copy the settings across to other days of the week. Click on the circular button to the right of the day you've already set up and select Copy to Other Weekdays. Pickup and drop-off times for Saturday and Sundays will need to be set up separately. If you have more than one rental location and want to add the same drop-off and pickup times for each site, you can copy the settings from one site to another by clicking on the Setup button at the top of the screen. This will display a box where you can choose the source location and destination location. You can also choose which elements you want to copy across. You can copy your standard hours, special dates, or both. To copy your settings, simply click on the Copy Hours button. In addition to your standard opening hours, you can also set up special dates such as Christmas Day, Boxing Day, or New Year's Day. To add a new special date, click on the Special Dates button at the top of the screen and click Add Date. You can then enter a label for the date. Let's call this one Christmas Day, and then set the start and end dates, and we can also choose to repeat the special date every year by ticking the Repeat Yearly checkbox. We then click Add. The special date will then appear on the main screen and will default to closed initially. To add specific opening hours for the special date, click on the circular button on the right of the special date and click Add Opening Range. You can then move the slider to reflect your chosen opening hours for this special date. Just like your standard opening hours, you can add specific pickup and drop-off times for a special date. Simply click on the Add Pickup Range or Add Drop-off Range buttons and adjust the sliders to your chosen settings.